Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to see about how to design your profile in GitHub. So we would have seen a lot of profiles have like so many tags and beautifully aligned. So in today's video, we're going to see that how to make it from your own profile. So go to repository and create a repository name just as your username and keep the profile public and readme on and create repository. So it will be there. Yeah. So you have the readme now. Now what you need to do is you need to generate a prompt for it so that you can have the profile ready. So whenever people log into your profile, Git page, they'll see the entire profile of yours. So let's see how it can be done. So go to this one where you need to select a few skills. This was available online. I just went through this GitLab Profile Maker or GitHub Profile Maker. Anything you just need to have. So just go and select some of the things which can speak about your profile or things that you know. So framework, testing software, or any game engines, anything it may be. Just select which you know and which you don't. And you can actually give the link of certain things that your social profiles, Instagram, anything it may be. So just read and select few things and just deselect things that you don't have. So give your name and what you're currently working on, first things. So this will create a markdown that you need to copy or download. Anything it may be, just give that. Just give things that you wanted to be accessed publicly. People can find you publicly. Don't give private information and all because it will be visible. So you have the markdown and just copy and paste in README. Yes, just commit it once you pasted the entire markdown. Yeah, commit it. Then you will see a profile. Yeah, so these are things that I've selected which I claim that I know. So if you didn't like this particular variations, let's have like actual profile thing. So go to Google GitHub Profile README prompt, and you will find a prompt below. So where you can just directly get a link, or you have a prompt here. The some of the things that you need to give, like your name, your role, and all. So just copy this entire prompt. Copy and put it in Claude. So I tried asking from it, so it didn't give me one. So I just add this information online. So it just asks you to give the personal details of yours. It can't generate on its own, right? So just give it. Manually type some of the information that it asks you to do. So I didn't give my LinkedIn link and all, Twitter, those things. I just gave like what I have currently, and just for the demo purpose, I'm just doing. Later, I'll create like a proper one. Just understand and have this one for your profile so that it'll be like very useful. If someone is like going through your profile, they'll just look into it and they'll find it, uh, you know, useful or inspiring mostly. So just have it. So mention what is what. Don't just mention the tags and names. Mention like why, what, and where the username and all. Just give like what is needed, and let's see like how it is actually working. So finally, it gave README. The markdown. what you need to do is all you need to just copy and paste in the README like we did before. And some of the links that I didn't give because I didn't paste it, like LinkedIn, those profiles, it is okay. Like you can always edit the README. Just explore this particular thing so that it is fun when I came across this one. So just wanted to make this video. Go ahead and just replace the existing one. I personally didn't like this, the design. So I'm just going with the professional one. So this is the tags that you are seeing, and you can add or include more that you want to know, or you can replicate some of your role models profile like Andrij Pati, those people. They have like proper profile. Not him basically, but a lot of people have that. So turning data into decisions. Okay. So I hope this video finds you well. That's all I have for today. See you all next video. Bye.